Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Harry Potter gifts is probably one of the most magical and enchanting collections of items available for young witches and wizards, offering a chance to bring the wonder of the wizarding world right into their homes, from spellbinding wands that mimic those of their favorite characters to cozy house-themed apparel perfect for chilly evenings or immersive role-playing adventures, ensuring every fan can find a piece of Hogwarts to cherish and enjoy. Number 5. Mattel Games Uno Harry Potter Card Game. Get ready for a magical twist on a classic game. Now you can play Uno with your favorite characters from the Harry Potter series. It's the same great Uno gameplay you know and love, but with exciting images of Hermione, Harry, Ron, and more from the wizarding world. The objective is simple: be the first to empty your hand of cards. Score points by being the first to get rid of all your cards, and the first to reach 500 points wins. Watch out for special action cards like skips, reverses, and draw twos. They can change the game in an instant. Experience the unique sorting hat card. This special card forces another player to keep drawing until they find a Gryffindor card, adding a fun challenge. This makes a wonderful gift for any Harry Potter fan, ages 7 and up. It includes 112 cards and instructions for endless fun. What we like. If you love the classic card game Uno and are a fan of the magical world of Harry Potter, this is the perfect blend for you. The addition of beloved characters and a unique sorting hat card adds a fun twist to familiar gameplay. It's ideal for family game nights or parties where you want a lighthearted, engaging activity that appeals to both kids and adults who enjoy a touch of wizardry. What people say. The wand is made of resin and is very detailed. The cloak is a good quality material and looks authentic. The sorting hat is a fun addition and really works. Number 4. Perler Harry Potter Fuse Bead Kit. Step into the magical world of Harry Potter with this incredible fuse bead kit. It's perfect for fans of all ages looking to create something enchanting. Inside, you'll find everything needed to bring your favorite characters to life. With thousands of beads and multiple patterns, the possibilities are endless. Choose from 19 iconic Harry Potter designs to craft. From witches to wizards, your favorite characters await your creative touch. This set is a fantastic way to express your creativity and artistic flair. It's an ideal gift for any devoted Harry Potter enthusiast. Don't stop at the included patterns. You can reuse the pegboard and ironing paper for countless other custom creations. Let your imagination run wild. What we like. For the aspiring artist or the meticulous fan, this fuse bead kit offers an immersive creative experience. With a vast number of beads and numerous Harry Potter-themed patterns, it's perfect for anyone looking to craft their own magical characters and scenes. If you enjoy hands-on activities that require patience and precision, and want to showcase your artistic side with a wizarding theme, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. The wand is made of resin and is 14 inches long. The cloak is made of polyester and has a hood. The glasses are made of plastic and are one size fits all. Number 3. Hasbro Gaming Clue, Wizarding World Harry Potter Edition. Get ready for a magical mystery. This game brings the suspense of Clue into the enchanting Harry Potter universe. It's a whodunit adventure with familiar characters and settings. As one of your favorite characters like Harry, Hermione, or Ron, you'll race to uncover who vanished. You must also figure out what spell was used and where the mysterious event took place. The game board itself is full of surprises. Turn the wheels to reveal secret passages, shifting staircases, and changing pathways. Watch out, the dark mark might even appear. Perfect for Harry Potter fans, this game is designed for 3 to 5 players and is suitable for ages 8 and up. It's a fantastic gift inspired by the beloved film series. Relive the classic mystery board game you loved as a child, now with a magical Harry Potter twist. Introduce your own kids to the thrill of solving the who, what, and where of a captivating crime. What we like. If you're a fan of mystery and deduction games, and the Harry Potter universe, this edition of Clue is a must-have. It transforms the classic whodunit into a magical investigation with iconic characters and a dynamic game board that adds new challenges. This is perfect for families or groups of friends, ages 8 and up, who enjoy a strategic game with a beloved magical theme. What people say. This Harry Potter wand is a great replica, perfect for cosplay or display. The cloak is well made with good quality fabric, and the details are accurate to the movie costume. The Gryffindor scarf is soft and warm, making it a perfect accessory for chilly days. Number 2. Harry Potter Years 1 to 7 Collection. Embark on an unforgettable journey through the magical world of Harry Potter. Relive all 7 years of adventure, friendship, and bravery. Experience the epic story from the very beginning. Follow his growth from a young boy to the wizard who faced his destiny. Discover the wonders of Hogwarts and the challenges that lie ahead. It's a tale filled with enchantment and courage. Meet iconic characters and immerse yourself in spellbinding narratives. Each installment brings new magic and excitement. This collection brings together all the beloved films. It's the perfect way to experience the magic again and again. What we like. For the ultimate Harry Potter enthusiast who wants to experience the entire saga, this collection is unparalleled. It allows you to dive deep into the wizarding world, following the journey from the very beginning to the epic conclusion. If you're looking for a comprehensive reading experience or a definitive gift for a dedicated fan, owning all 7 books is the quintessential way to engage with the story. What people say. The wand is well made and feels authentic, perfect for cosplay or display. The cloak is surprisingly warm and durable, suitable for outdoor events. The included spellbook has clear instructions and beautiful illustrations. Number 1. J. Franco Harry Potter Kids Hooded Towel. Bring the magic of Hogwarts to your child's bath time. This officially licensed towel features beloved characters and scenes from the Harry Potter movies. It's a must-have for any young wizard or witch. Measuring 22 by 51 inches, this towel is perfectly sized for children. It's ideal for drying off after a bath, swimming, or lounging by the pool. This towel features a fun 3D character hood that adds an extra touch of magic. Made from 100% cotton, it's incredibly soft, breathable, and gentle on your child's skin. Keeping it clean is a breeze as it's machine washable for quick and easy care. The high-quality fabric ensures it stays soft and the vibrant design remains fresh, wash after wash. Add a playful pop of color and creativity to any occasion. It makes a fun and practical gift for birthdays, holidays, or even back to school. This is an officially licensed product, showcasing authentic designs from the magical world of Harry Potter. It's perfect for fans of all houses. What we like. If you're looking for a practical yet magical item for bath time, beach trips, or pool days, this hooded towel is ideal. Its super soft cotton ensures comfort, while the fun 3D character hood adds an element of playfulness that kids will adore. It's perfect for young Harry Potter fans who want to bring a piece of Hogwarts magic into their everyday routines, making drying off a delightful experience. What people say. The wand is very detailed and looks just like the one from the movies. The cloak is made of good quality material and is surprisingly warm. The spellbook has clear instructions and is fun for kids to learn. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.